We're here today with the Modern Traditional Semi-Annual Fall Winter versions.
Yay! I'm so excited.
So am I. Maddie's going to take the lead on this one and walk you through these curations. A couple of things to tell you about. There are two versions.
Mm-hmm.
Everything is the same in both versions, but for your option of bowl. Little decorative bowl.
Mm-hmm.
Also, lots of love went into your luxe and your modern traditional curations because each of your floral arrangements were made by hand from us. Yep. We had so much fun. We both sat there smiling.
Pretty much just had like a girls' night floral party.
We did. It was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun. Highly recommend it.
Yes.
Add a glass of wine and, ooh, that'd be so much fun.
Wouldn't it? Come up with probably some really interesting arrangements.
Oh,
too,
yes.
The more wine you add.
Have to be careful on that one.
Okay. Take us away, Maddie. Let's get into version 1.
Now, if y'all remember from last year, the wonderful Sleepy Fox, of course, we had to build on your collection for that. So, without further ado, we have your little sister to the Sleepy Fox you received in last fall-winter's collection for a semi-annual modern traditional.
Mm-hmm.
You have the Sleepy Fox tea light holder. You will also receive a set of 2 little baby LED tea lights. That way you don't have any mess to worry about should you want to turn them on, of course.
Mm-hmm.
These guys are just wonderful.
These are amazing.
Oh my goodness.
These are amazing. When we saw the sister to the Sleepy Fox from last season, we said, we have to complete their collection.
Mm-hmm.
It has to go. They're going to need the sisters in their lives.
Yes, it is fully felted on the bottom as well,
Mm.
so you don't have to worry about any scratching or anything like that.
These are,
They're so cute.
they're so cute. I'll get measurements. I'm just going to go
Thank you.
width to width here, and that's going to be 7 inches wide.
Wonderful. These guys, they're just adorable.
I love these so much. I mean, yeah. Okay. I love her. I'm going to put one by my bedside table
Yes.
because I just love her so much. Okay.
All right, next in the box, we're going to touch on your decorative boxes. These guys are just wonderful. I'll hold one for you. The perfect little touch of delicacy with an added depth to it for the antiqued finish on the gold and then the beading detail on the tops of them as well. It is just modern traditional to a T,
Yes.
a little touch of perfection, and transitions beautifully throughout so many different types of households.
Oh my goodness, yes.
To where someone super farmhouse, as like myself, could use it. Someone very contemporary, luxe. I mean, gosh. And if we think back to that luxe video you may have seen recently, that Italian,
Yes.
Tuscan version,
Mhm.
well, I should say 2 versions. How beautifully would these go to complement
Oh my God.
that version 1 and version 2 luxe, or version 1 and version 3, I should say.
They'd be gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
These would be gorgeous. And you can change, these are also going to be year-round use.
Yes.
And if you wanted to give them a little more character, a little more interest, filler in the box.
Mhm.
You could do fillers in the box. You could do leaves in the
Leaves,
fall.
acorns,
Oh, mini
little
acorns.
mini pine cones.
Little
You could-
mini faux snow.
Oh,
for
yes.
winter. Faux snow.
Prop the little guy up, or I mean, I guess I have the big guy. Prop him up, put your filler inside, and should you want a little figurine or anything like that, how adorable would it be just to have them displayed in the box, just so.
They would be amazing and cute. Oh my
So
goodness.
cute.
8 inches long on your small box, and then 12 inches in length on your large box. Another thing that you can do is you can stack them. They fit perfectly together, stacked. And then additionally, if you wanted to add just a little extra something, your Sleepy Fox sits beautifully right atop. I'm not going to
I was going to say, are you going to test my balancing skills? I will fail this test.
It will fit perfectly right. I won't do that to
Thank you.
And it's beautiful. Now, as Maddie, I want to touch just a little further on what Maddie did. These are intentionally distressed looking. So you're going to say, ooh, it looks like they might have a little rust. That's just an intentional distressing that they did to give you that antique gold finish look. It's very modern, traditional in style.
Yes. A little bit of that iodized look, a little touch of that rusty, almost aged look.
It is. It's a little aged, and that's all intentional, just to kind of make it look like you've had it for years and years and years.
Yes.
I love these. Oh.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Now, as you can tell by my fishtail hands, I'm very excited. As we have said a few times, I believe already, the premades. Mel and I had so much fun putting these together. And I'm going to touch on the compote, the holder first, and then we will show you how easily you will be able to transition. But I just so happen to have the fall premade sitting in the compote.
And ready to go.
So hopefully you can see it well enough. We can even take the fall premade out. And I do recommend being very gentle when lifting your premades. And I just hand them off to you. Thank you.
These are in a foam block. So
Yes.
you know it's the floral foam that we use to put them in. As Maddie mentioned, just be gentle taking them in and out. If for any reason you lose a stem, just pop it right into the block. It's very easy.
Yes. So this is your compote. It will transition perfectly for fall into winter, really even from spring into summer, just depending on what insert you decide to fill him with. So he is 14 inches in length and about 4 inches in diameter. Just so you know, should you have a creative spirit and, you know, want to dabble in making your own pre-made, that way you're able to get the proper insert for your compote.
And I think our floral foam was about 3 inches in width and about 5 inches in length, maybe 6 in length.
Yes.
And we built it from there.
You absolutely do not need to get a foam insert that is the full length of the compote, depending on the type of floral you're going to be adding in.
Okay. Fall and beautiful, and we love this one. We love them both.
Yes.
We love them both. So as Maddie held it up, you saw the fall version in here. And I'm just going to hold it up for a minute so you can see. It's gorgeous. We did some purples. We did a almost purple eucalyptus. In there you have roses.
You have roses, 2 different roses, chrysanthemum, eucalyptus, just the whole shebang of fall. Wonderful. Goodness. It's great.
These make me happy every time I look at them. I just get happy.
It's the little things.
It is.
It's that touch of romance that hasn't gone away. You're keeping in your semi-annual still. And now you have your fall version of romance and your winter version
Just
of
drop the
romance.
leaf, just like that. I'll pop that one back in. And I handled it quite a bit today. So pretty and easy. And then all you do, take it out, put in your winter one when you're ready for the winter to go in.
And you're good to go.
And that's it. And then I'll just pop this guy back in here and he's good to go. And so there you go. There is your winter version. This plays well all the way through summer as well. This could be a summer version.
You could make this super, super cute for Easter. I'm just going to touch on Easter for a minute and put little golden Easter eggs in there.
Okay, that's cute.
How cute would that be?
That's really cute.
You could put teeny tiny little bunny figurines for a little bit of fun playfulness should you have little children. And I mean, and then they get a little bit more involved and they get to really enjoy and find those little I Spy items in the premades.
They would have so much fun. Great. Now that's probably what we're going to be
Sorry.
doing. Maddie's son.
And now we're thinking spring and
Help us
summer.
build this. I know we're in summer, and we're talking already about next summer.
Why not?
Love all of these. Lots of eucalyptus inspired, between the purple and the green and then the lighter greens. We gave you lights in green in here. We gave you roses. There are real touch roses in this one. We did Christian?
This guy is a peony.
That's right. Okay, yes, peony, thank you. And then just little white buds and touches to really give you that full, beautiful kind of white winter effect.
Yes.
Oh.
Very romantic, very elegant still, and oh my goodness, for the winter, it's just beauty.
It's really quite stunning, especially when you see it in person.
Mm-hmm.
And we wanted them to be easy for you. One out and done, one in and done. And then we're sending them bagged for you. All you need to do is just carefully trim the bag when you get them to open them, and you can reuse that again. And then that way when you store them, you just put them back in their bags. Just trim the top a little bit when you get it to get it out. And then you're good to go. And then you have a nice little easy storage for it when you're not using it.
Yep.
I love this so much. Okay, I'm going to take this for you.
Okay.
And then we're going to talk to you the difference between version 1 and version 2.
Yes. So, version 1 is this lovely beauty. And I do have to say, though he's not quite as large, he has some weight to him. So, I definitely don't recommend him for a floating shelf. I would say a coffee table, entryway table, sofa table, somewhere like that. Even if you want to use him, gosh, I might use him in my bathroom on my tub and put my bath bombs in there.
That's a good idea.
Or my makeup brushes. I mean, it's a bowl, guys. So versatile. So versatile. So,
and 1 is a little more...
I would say 1 will ring a little more true for our farmhouse friends, and 1 will ring a little more true for the more modern side, little bit of contemporary side as well. That would be your version 2 bowl, which you'll see momentarily.
I'm going to get measurements for you on this one. Okay, we're going to go outside to outside completely here first.
Oh, would you like me to put him down a little bit so you can see?
Yeah.
Come on.
Reach. Now. You can do it. This one's 8.5 inches. And then your inside to inside diameter is going to be 5 3/4 inches.
Wonderful. So this is going to be your version 1 option.
This one's creamy with a little bit of a brown trimming around it and ridged.
Yes.
So this one has the ridges going around in circular motion, and then you'll see the other one has them going in a vertical motion. Yeah. I love this one too. I love this one too. Now this one also, to touch more on what Maddie mentioned about how to use them, if so inclined, you could also use these as little planters.
Yes, you could.
Yeah. Little planters. And so you could make your own, or we're going to be providing more and more as we move forward pre-mades for you that you can just buy and drop it.
Yes.
Or we'll show you a little video. You buy the stems, we'll show you how to put them together, easy and done.
Exactly.
Just so we all need more floral in our life.
It just adds that extra touch of warmth and hominess. You can still have a beautiful, clean, crisp, beautiful look in your home, but the floral will just add that extra homey and level of friendship where should a stranger walk in, it kind of evens out and smooths out the tone of the room.
It'd be beautiful. 8 inches in diameter and 5.5 inches inside.
Wonderful. You guys.
Wow, look at us.
That is Modern Traditional.
We did it. Your semi-annual fall winter modern traditional is done. Again, you're going to receive one of the 2 bowl options. That's up to you to choose which one speaks most to you. You'll receive 2 of the Sleepy Fox votive holders, 2 flameless votive candles, the compote, and then you're going to receive both floral arrangements because many of us can't choose just one.
Oh.
And you needed a fall and a winter version.
Exactly.
And so we covered that for you. Now both your bowls, just a quick touch base on those, have a little bit of a gloss. They're slightly glossy, not overly so, but a little sheen to them, which we think that you'll really like. Gives them a little more character, I think.
Yes.
Okay, we did it.
We did it, you guys.
Wow. Okay, we will be back again with another one up. I think we're going to be doing Modern Farmhouses on deck.
I think so.
Okay, so next time we see you, it'll be Modern Farmhouse. Thanks so much.
Bye.
Bye.